If you're looking for how to delete your Tumblr account, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, we're going to see exactly how to delete a Tumblr account. First, head over to our Tumblr dashboard. Next, scan the left sidebar. We can find account. Upon clicking it, we can see our blog's name. Let's click on it. Now, in the midsection, we could have found our blog. Since I don't have any posts, none are available. To the right of it, we can see blog settings. Click on it. In this new page, again, on the right sidebar, there is account. We need to select it. Now, scroll down to the very bottom, and we can see this red button that says delete account. That's the one we want to click. Now, to confirm that this account belongs to us, we need to provide our email and password. Let's do it. Once that's done, let's click delete everything. It's gone. Now you know how to delete a Tumblr account. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you want to see future video updates like this, you should subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye-bye.